Alright, welcome back guys and gals. Today I'm going to be working on this 2017 Toyota Tundra, and I got to replace the headlight bulb itself. So I'm going to replace them both. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to take these two screws out. I'm going to see if that'll get the headlight lens out, or headlight assembly out. If not, then I'll probably have to take this off right here just to get it out. But let's see if those two screws will let me get this out. So let's get to it. Alright, I had to pull the grill out. Now I'm pulling this piece off. For the grill, I had to get, what was that grill right there? If you got that grill, you got one screw here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws along the front here, then another screw here, and a screw here, and a screw here. Now you got to get these popped out of this cover here so you can get to another plastic clip to pop it out, and that goes for both sides. So that's what I'm in the process of doing now. So let me get it finished and I'll show you that part. Alright, you got these clips you got to deal with right here inside the bottom part of the grill. So you got to fight with those to get them out. So I got them out. So now let's get the headlight out. Alright, you also have to take this side piece off of the truck just to get to another bolt to get the headlight out. So let's get to that. Alright, as you can see, I've got the headlight loose. So now all of this just to replace this right here, this bulb here. So let's change it, put it all back together, and do it all again on that other side. So let's get to it. It feels like you're going to break this side piece to come off underneath the housing, the light housing. It feels like you're going to break it, but you're not. So don't be afraid to pull on it. So there you go. So now let's get this bulb changed. Alright, you got 3 of these little push pins that go down here, here, and here. You got to take out just to mess with this one. So just have that in mind if you're wanting to do this without spending any money, or just doing it yourself and saving money, just getting a headlight. So let me get the grill back on, and let's call it done. And don't forget about this push pin that holds this side piece on. So don't forget about it. All right, so let me get that one in and then get the grill on, and I'll show you after. And there you go, it's all back together. Both headlights have been changed. So that's what it takes just to change a headlight in a 2017 Tundra. So until next time, catch y'all later.